In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most compassionate, welcome to our channel. Today we embark on a captivating journey through the life of a remarkable Prophet Sulaiman, the wise king. Our story begins with the birth of Prophet Sulaiman, the son of the noble Prophet Dawood. From a young age, Prophet Sulaiman displayed extraordinary wisdom and piety, which caught the attention of his father and the people around him. As Prophet Sulaiman grew older, he accompanied his father in matters of governance and justice, observing and learning from his wise decisions. He was known for his keen intellect and fairness, earning the respect and admiration of the people. Upon the passing of his father, Prophet Sulaiman was chosen by Allah to succeed him as the ruler of Israel. But this was not an ordinary appointment. Allah blessed Prophet Sulaiman with extraordinary abilities and miracles. Prophet Sulaiman possessed the unique gift of communicating with animals. He could understand their languages and gain wisdom from their interactions. This remarkable ability gave him insights into the natural world and enabled him to govern with compassion and understanding. Alongside his ability to communicate with animals, Prophet Sulaiman was granted command over the winds. He could travel vast distances swiftly, harnessing the power of the elements at his disposal. Moreover, Prophet Sulaiman's authority extended even to the jinn, invisible beings created by Allah. The jinn served him faithfully, assisting in various tasks and projects. As Prophet Sulaiman's reputation spread far and wide, his kingdom flourished. He ruled with justice, ensuring prosperity and harmony among his people. His wisdom and insight became renowned throughout the land. But this is only the beginning of our story. In the next part, we will continue the fascinating narrative by delving into the captivating tale of Sulaiman and Bilqis, the queen whose throne holds a significant place in history. We will explore how Prophet Sulaiman commanded the jinn to retrieve the magnificent throne of Bilqis, showcasing his wisdom, power, and the divine miracles bestowed upon him. Stay tuned for the second part of this remarkable journey, where we unravel the intriguing events surrounding the throne of Bilqis and witness the remarkable display of Prophet Sulaiman's authority and righteousness. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to receive notifications when the next part is released. May Allah bless you all.